Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get all the latest notifications. Today we are going to start from question 41 of 2018 NSO paper set A for class 6. So let's get started. Question 41. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the given codes. Look at column 1 and column 2 carefully. The correct answer will be option A, I-E. Ginning is the process of separating fibers from seeds. 2I is combing. This is brushing and straightening of fibers. Now 3I, carding. Carding is the process of cleaning and detangling of fibers. IV, seed pods. This should be balls. V, lint. Lint is the cotton fibers after being separated from seeds. So the answer will be option A. Now question 42. Identify the correct option regarding P to S from the given flowchart. Look at the flowchart, try to understand it. It is a plant. If yes, it grows in water. If yes, it has broad leaves. If no, it has needle-like leaves. If it has broad leaves, yes, P. If no, Q. If it has needle-like leaves, if yes, S. If no, R. Let's check for all the options. Option A, S may be a non-flowering plant. This is the correct option. Plants like pine, fir have needle-like leaves and they do not bear flowers. These plants have cones which contain naked seeds. Now option B. P could be hydrilla whereas Q could be vallisneria. This is the incorrect option. Option C. P leaves may possess specialized tips called rib tips whereas leaves of R lack stomata. This is also the incorrect statement. Option D. S could be spruce whereas R could be pine. This is also the incorrect statement. Now question 43. On a cold winter day, Sohan put a room heater near his aquarium which made water in the aquarium warm but not hot. What could happen due to this? The correct answer will be option B. Fishes would suffocate due to less availability of oxygen for breathing. As water gets heated, the dissolved oxygen in it gradually escapes from it. So the availability of oxygen for breathing becomes less for the fish and it will cause suffocation of the fish. Now question 44. Refer to the given flowchart. It is a constituent of air. If yes, it is released during photosynthesis. If yes, P. If no, plants absorb it directly from the air. If yes, Q. If no, R. Identify P, Q and R and select the incorrect statement. Look at the flowchart. P could be oxygen, Q could be carbon dioxide and R could be nitrogen. Nitrogen is present in the atmosphere in highest percentage but oxygen is not present in lowest percentage. So the answer will be option D. In atmospheric air, R is present in highest percentage whereas P is present in lowest percentage. Now question 45. Which of the following is a correct match? Look at the options carefully. The correct answer will be option C. Peels of fruits, vegetables and tea leaves are organic waste. So this is the correct match. Now coming to the achievers section. Question 46. Aquil used a strong magnet to stroke the iron nail 50 times in the same direction continuously After stroking, he wanted to test it by bringing a compass near the tip of the nail. Which one of the following diagrams shows the correct observation? Look at the pictures carefully. Due to stroking, the leftmost part of the nail behaves as the north pole and the other as the south pole of a magnet. So the correct answer will be option D. Now question 47. Study the given Venn diagram and fill in the blanks. Look at the Venn diagram. Burning of LPG stove is a fast change and conversion of liquid, that is LPG, to LPG gas is a physical change and combustion of LPG gas is a chemical change. Inflating a balloon is a physical, reversible and fast change and combustion of kerosene is a chemical, irreversible and fast change. So the answer will be option D. 1. Burning of LPG stove. 2. Inflating a balloon. 3. Combustion of kerosene. Now question 48. Refer to the given graph plotted for the three different fabric pieces of equal size P, Q and R on the basis of their water absorbing capacity and select the correct statement. Look at the graph. According to the graph, the water absorption capacity of Q is maximum, P is moderate and R is minimum. Fibers obtained from Gossypium plant have moderate water absorbing capacity, whereas fibers obtained from the insect silkworm will have very less water absorbing capacity. So the answer will be option A. Question 49. Read the given passage where few words have been italicized. Select the correct option regarding this. Read the passage carefully. Iodine is a very important food component. It takes part in formation of thyroid hormone secreted by thyroid glands of our body. It is a trilobed gland located in the neck region. But the correct answer will be it is a bilobed gland located in the neck region. Then iron deficiency can lead to malfunctioning of the gland, causing hypo and hypersecretion of thyroid hormone. This should be iodine deficiency. Now this leads to disease like osteomalacia. It leads to disease like goiter. Foods like orange and spinach are recommended to the patient suffering from this condition. Actually, foods like iodized salt and seafood are recommended to the patient suffering from this condition. So the answer will be option A. Iron should be replaced by iodine. Now question number 50. Refer to the given dichotomous key. Select the incorrect option regarding P to S. According to the dichotomous key, P and S could be tendril of grapevine and prop roots of banyan respectively. So the correct answer will be option A. P could be tendril of grapevine, whereas S could be prop roots of banyan. Thanks for watching.